Hey, aviation enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the epic showdown between the Airbus A380 and the Boeing 787-9. Let's talk details. The A380 launched in 2007, while the 787-9 took to the skies in 2014. Operating costs? The A380 is pricier at $26,000 per hour compared to the 787-9's $11,000. Cruise speeds? The A380 cruises at 560 miles per hour, while the 787-9 edges it out at 561 miles per hour. Cabin specs. The A380 offers 551 cubic meters, 157 feet long, and 24 feet high. The 787-9, 333 cubic meters, 138 feet long, and 18 feet high. Seating. The A380 accommodates around 525 passengers, while the 787-9 seats about 296. The A380 needs a crew of 21, including 3 pilots. The 787-9 requires 10 crew members, including 2 pilots. Avionics on both are state-of-the-art, but the 787-9's newer tech gives it an edge. Flight range? The A380 can fly 8,000 nautical miles, the 787-9 7,530. Fuel burn? The A380 guzzles 5,600 gallons per hour, while the 787-9 sips 2,400 gallons. Sales-wise, Airbus has sold about 250 A380s, Boeing over 900 787 to 9s. It boils down to your needs, massive capacity and luxury with the A380, or efficiency and modern tech with the 787-9. Until next time, keep those wings level. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more videos, and keep our gentleman's agreement sealed.